The 5 Secrets of Successful Leaders. There are countless different things that make a great leader. Not only that, but it's also true that every leader is different, and one person's leadership style might be very different from another person's. But while this is true, there are still some consistent features that you will find in any great leader. In this presentation, we'll be looking at 5 of the most important secrets that nearly all great leaders share. 1. They have control over their emotions. Being in control of your own emotions is absolutely critical to being a good leader. A leader cannot be seen to be panicking, and they mustn't yell or rant at their team when they're frustrated. You need to be as solid as a rock, and to forge ahead even when the going gets tough. This takes immense mental discipline, so better get working on it. 2. They care deeply about what they're doing. Can you be a leader even if you hate what you do? Probably. Can you be a great one? Probably not. Passion comes across when you speak to people, and being excited for your work will motivate the team more than anything else you can do or say. If you don't already love the work, try to find something you love about it, or do something else. 3. They see the big picture. Your job as a leader is to see the big picture so that you can delegate work and let your team take care of the details. You might have started out in IT and risen to management, but now you can no longer be an IT guy. Your job is to know a little bit about every aspect of your work so that you can guide the entire project smoothly. 4. They take responsibility. As a leader, you are in charge. That means you're responsible when things go well and when they go badly. Don't blame your team. They need you to be a protective buffer so that they can have the confidence to work their best without dealing with the consequences. 5. They care about their team. If you look after your team, then they will look after you. Your team is your most important asset, and your job is to nurture them so that you can get the best out of them. See them only as a resource, though, and they'll quickly lash out and push back. Great leaders look out for those underneath them, and that earns them incredible loyalty.